Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hide the recycling bin icon on your Windows 11 desktop. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on a blank area of your desktop, and then you want to select Personalize. Now you want to select the Themes button. And now you want to go down underneath Related Settings and select the Desktop Icon Settings. Where it says Recycle Bin, uncheck that if you want to turn off that view from your desktop. Select Apply and OK, and you see it no longer appears on our desktop. And if you want to turn it back on, just click on, again, Desktop Icon Settings, and then you check mark inside the Recycling Bin field, and then select Apply and OK. And that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.